arrives out at the pad. The rocket remains ready, waiting on the opening of today's launch window.
Elevator. Roger.
At this point on the launch pad, all the activity is really up on that crew access tower. You mentioned the blue team. There are 3 ULA personnel on that blue team. These individuals are performing the initial safety checks of the tower in the white room prior to starting Starliner closeouts. And once the crew is loaded and Starliner is closed out, they'll prepare the crew access arms hydraulic system for arm retract, which we will control remotely from the LCC once the pad is clear. They'll also be retracting the Starliner access plank and raising the white room environmental seal. Once all that work is done, the entire blue team will clear the pad and head back for the fallback area for launch. But right now, things are going very, very well with the rocket. As you can see, things seem to be going well. The crew access tower is ready, and the team here is hoping for cool runnings as we march toward liftoff.
All right, and as we see the astronauts coming out there on level 12, we will send it back over to Dee, Megan, and Mike.
Yeah, so Butch and Sunny arriving on level 12 of the crew access tower, as we've been saying. We do just want to reference a little bit of the chatter that we heard on the loops just a couple of minutes ago. Somebody was saying that the cameras are out of configuration in level 12. That's, again, just this level, like outside. Nothing with the rocket or the spacecraft. It's just, right, Mike, cameras that are on the...
That's exactly it. There's cameras, I don't say everywhere, but as you can see, we all can see where Sunny's taking a quick look at last look at planet Earth for a while, looking out over the ocean, saying hi to us. Hi, Sunny.
I think he's saying hi to you. That's right. Just you, Mike.
No, she's definitely saying hi to everyone. She's waiting. Butch is taking care of a little bit of business in a restroom, and you got to, what do you say? You got to go before you go, just like we teach our kids. And so Butch is a good student of that. And it's a beautiful morning, and I'm sure Sunny is remembering the sea turtles she got to see yesterday.
Yeah, the helicopter circling the pad. That's how we're getting this awesome shot here of Sunny just taking it all in. As you said, waving to the camera, waving to friends and family watching this broadcast. What an amazing view. And also just off to the left of the screen there is the rocket and spacecraft. So an amazing, unique view from this level as well before they get into Starliner.
And we didn't mention it last time, Megan and Dee, but this white room is also configurable for other customers for the United Launch Alliance, including the Dream Chaser, which is
LC Slick on channel 1.
Coming again soon.
Go ahead. Crew is on CAT level 12. We can release the CTV back to the fallback area. Roger.
And as we zoom out a little bit again, wow, what a great view. Really